show you our backyard. You see that? What he said by.
What's that?
That's a letter so we can get that tarp up on the roof.
Yeah. You see, look. You see, look.
Oh, y'all ain't got y'all new house yet?
No.
She took our new house.
For real?
She blew that bitch up. Look, this is how we beat the case. This bitch come out.
Look, let me tell you, look, act like you're playing a game. I'm going to show you what happened. Here, look, here. You're me. Here. Come on, look. Act like you're playing the game.
Okay.
All right. Yeah, I'm over here. I'm watering the flowers. Mom's cooking the dough.
Ooh, get him.
Boom! Explosion.
What? Oh, you got your fences.
Oh, hell, I didn't want to get burned.
They tell me how they bubble blow up their house.
We're serious. Yeah.
For real?
Not cracked.
What they were cooking?
Acid.
What you were cooking?
Methamphetamine.
I was cooking methamphetamine.
I'll show you the damn house after the explosion.
Let me see.
Oh.
Yeah, we got the pictures.
Both the house up.
I was outside.
He was